And we're rolling.
Yeah.
Oh,
Traffic.
traffic. All right, we're going on Paparazzi from the, well, I don't know, where are we? Somewhere. All right. Going? All right, let's go. Paparazzi, here we go. Paparazzi, yep. Haven't been on this one yet. Give it a go. It's a new one, it's just opened this season. So, quite a few rock sections already. Oh, I think that's a theme here. Paparazzi. Oh yeah. Not really a fan of rock gardens, got to admit. But this is hardly a rock garden. Just a few rocky sections. Woo! Alright, here we go. Whoa! That was a pedal scrape. Shouldn't have done that. Should have had more momentum on that. There's a chairlift we just came up. That's a secondary chairlift. We didn't take that from the bottom of Thredbo. Woo! Just had enough momentum to get up that. I'll wait for Phil. Here he comes, he's right behind me. Alright. This has just enough rock not to annoy me. Woo! Yeah! Oh, gorgeous scenery up here. Absolutely good. Elevated risk drop. Okay, whoa! Oh, I better go up here, I think. Woo! Fantastic scenery. Check out that all the way down there. Wow. Probably see, well, Phil might have come and guts or somewhere. Don't see him. Yep. I'll do a selfie. There you go. Still a cracker of a day. Only got 40 minutes left before the trails close. So hopefully we can, oh, there's Phil. It's caught up. All right. Stopped for some reason. You good?
Yeah.
Yep. All right, let's go. Oh, someone's coming. Just let someone past. Go through.
Right?
Yep. Yep. Thanks, mate. No one behind him? No. Let's go. This is kind of fun. Oh, nice little, missed a little waterfall section there. No worries. Paparazzi this way. Let's go. What's that rock? Holy crap! No! I almost come a gutser. Woo! Almost went arse over handlebar there.
You bike alright?
Yeah, no worries. A little bit steeper than I expected, and my 27-inch couldn't handle it. Maybe yours with an extra inch could. Every inch matters, guys. Pays to have a 29-incher. But I didn't go arse overhead, so pat on the back for me. Woo. That would have been a funny GoPro shot. You might have actually seen my ass literally go over the front lens. Woo! Wait for Phil to catch up again. And I don't know why some of the trees die here. Some of them maybe have not recovered from the fires. That might have killed them, because there were fires like 5-6 years ago or something. And maybe they're the ones that didn't recover. Oh, hang on, there's a sign here. Yeah, oh no, we're now on Grasshopper. Is that correct, Phil?
No idea.
Well, I guess it is, because we're not taking Easy Rider, already done that. So we're now on Grasshopper. Alright, so it looks like we did Paparazzi. That was pretty fun, apart from almost coming to gutter. And people on chairlifts above. We did see this on the way up. Well, I haven't seen any hops so far. There's one. Woo! Little jump there. Another little jump. Woo! And a jump. Haven't done many jumps today. Oh no, it feels right behind me. And still, late in the afternoon, there's no wind at all here. It's absolutely spectacular. Not a cloud in the sky. Great day for riding. I wish I could give you more exciting commentary, but I didn't really brush up on the trails and the heights and the distances and all that sort of jazz. And the audio in this probably sucks ass because it's directly mounted on my handlebars. Oh, I should have gone the other way there. Oh. Oh, it feels right behind me. I needn't stop. All right. Well, I'm enjoying this new trail. Quite nice. In fact, there's not many trails up here that suck. They're all pretty good. Whoa. And we're back. We are back. That's it. Oh no, not quite. Oh, mud. Seriously? Did have 80 millimeters of rain yesterday. We fully expected to be riding in complete and utter quagmire, but apparently not. Because the dirt's so compacted that the rain just goes straight off it. Well, I thought we went back to that station over there, but apparently we don't. We just keep riding this. Oh well, I don't care. I'll just keep going until we hit bottom. Woo! Jumps there. Ah. Oh, it's right behind me. Oh, yeah. Okay, we're back to here. Actually, oh, yep. I know where we are. And that's the All Mountain Trail, which we didn't want to do. We didn't want to do All Mountain. Was there anything else branching off?
Sidewinder again.
Sidewinder?
Yeah.
Yep. Let's do Sidewinder.